Welcome to the DEXIS Imaging Suite Patient Administration Tutorial. Displayed is the DEXIS administration screen where patient information is entered and accessed. Please note if your practice is linked to a practice management software, you will not add patients directly into DEXIS. The icons along the top left lead to other DEXIS screens. The icons on the right will allow you to select preferences and enter practice information. The buttons at the far right corner are similar to the Windows functions such as minimize, maximize, and close. You may also choose to close the screen using the X icon on the toolbar. All DEXIS screens offer a tooltip, a help bubble that identifies the icon and its functionality. Simply hover your mouse over an icon and the tooltip will appear. Your patient list appears on the right side of the administration screen. To search for a patient, simply click on the left side under Patient and begin typing your patient's last name. You could also choose to type by using the keypad in the lower left corner. Your patient's name will appear in the list on the right side. You could add a new patient by clicking on New Patient, causing your information screen to appear. You can now select a patient identification number or simply enter your patient's last name, then tab over and enter their first name and any pertinent information that you may choose. To save your patient's information, click OK. To close without saving, click Cancel. When you save the patient's information, their name will be added to the list. From here, you may modify your patient information, archive, or delete. To delete the patient's information, you must first delete any images associated with your patient in their chart. To select a patient, click on their name. Now you may enter your patient's chart by selecting one of the icons in the top toolbar. If there's a highlight underneath the icon, that indicates that there are images awaiting for that particular patient in that screen. The first icon indicates DEX-ray intraoral images. The second is DEX-ray extraoral images, such as panoramic or cephalometric images. The third is DEX-image intraoral camera images. The fourth is DEX-image photographs, facial shots, and smiles. The fourth icon is an overview of both intraoral and extraoral images on the same screen. The pencil icon launches the DEXWrite report writer. We also have DEXClaim Access, which will allow you to attach images for insurance claims. You may access the on-screen DEXIS manual by clicking on the DEXIS logo in the upper right corner. When you click on this, a window will open where you will click the Help function. Your cursor now has an associated question mark. Anything that you click on now will access the manual to that particular area. On the left side of the screen, there is an index that enables you to scroll through the manual. Any of these help functions can be located in any DEXIS screen. You may also right-click on a DEXIS screen and access the same information. This concludes the training session on an overview of DEXIS Imaging Suite's patient administration.